Withdrawing money from your Merrill Edge account involves these steps. Log in. Access your Merrill Edge account via their website or mobile app. Access transfers. Navigate to the Accounts tab. Click on Transfers or Transfer Funds. Select Withdrawal option. Choose Withdraw Funds or a similar option. Select the account from which you wish to withdraw funds. Choose Destination. Specify the destination account for the funds. This could be your linked bank account. If you haven't linked a bank account yet, you may need to add one by following the prompts to enter your bank details. Enter withdrawal amount. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Ensure it's within the available balance in your Merrill Edge account. Review and confirm. Review the withdrawal details, including the amount and destination. Confirm that all information is accurate. Submit request. Submit the withdrawal request. You may need to complete additional security verification steps. Monitor transfer. Check the accounts or transactions section to monitor the status of your withdrawal. Transfers typically take a few business days to process, depending on the destination bank.